Nature is a force of incredible power and unpredictability, capable of both breathtaking beauty and shocking surprises. Throughout history, there have been moments when nature left humanity in awe and disbelief. Here are 5 such instances. Pompeii and Herculaneum, 79 AD. In 79 AD, the eruption of Mount Vesuvius near Naples, Italy, buried the ancient cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum under a thick layer of volcanic ash and pumice. These cities remained forgotten for centuries until their accidental rediscovery in the 18th century. The remarkably preserved ruins, frozen in time by the volcanic eruption, provided an unprecedented glimpse into daily life in ancient Rome. The Tunguska event, 1908, in a remote area of Siberia, Russia. In 1908, a massive explosion occurred above the Tunguska River. The event, attributed to the airburst of a meteor or comet, flattened an estimated 80 million trees over an area of 2,150 square kilometers, 830 square miles. It released energy hundreds of times greater than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Fortunately, the area was sparsely populated, sparing human casualties, but the event highlighted the potential threat of celestial objects to Earth. The Carrington event, 1859. In 1859, a massive solar storm, known as the Carrington event, unleashed a powerful geomagnetic storm on Earth. The resulting auroras were so bright that they reportedly woke people in the night and allowed newspaper reading in the streets of New York City. Telegraph systems around the world malfunctioned, some even catching fire. Today, it serves as a reminder of the impact solar storms can have on our technology-dependent society. The Great Oxygenation Event, 2.4 billion years ago. Approximately 2.4 billion years ago, Earth experienced the Great Oxygenation Event, a gradual increase in atmospheric oxygen levels caused by the evolution of photosynthetic cyanobacteria. This event not only transformed Earth's atmosphere but also had a profound impact on the planet's biodiversity, leading to the emergence of oxygen-dependent life forms. It was a pivotal moment in Earth's history that continues to shape our world today. The Year Without a Summer, 1816. In 1816, the world experienced a climatic anomaly known as the Year Without a Summer. This unusual weather pattern was triggered by the volcanic eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia in 1815, which released massive amounts of volcanic ash into the atmosphere. The resulting cooler temperatures and failed crops led to widespread food shortages and social unrest. It was during this challenging year that Mary Shelley wrote her iconic novel, Frankenstein. These moments in history remind us of nature's extraordinary power and capacity to both awe and challenge humanity. They underscore the importance of understanding and respecting the forces of the natural world and highlight the need for scientific exploration and preparedness in the face of natural phenomena. Nature continues to surprise and inspire us, offering valuable lessons about the fragility and resilience of life on Earth.